If you're looking for a romance that starts with heartbreak and quickly turns into something dangerous, The Butcher by Penelope Sky might be your next obsession. Fleur's life has already fallen apart. After discovering that her husband has been cheating on her, she leaves everything behind, gets a new apartment, starts working as a bartender, and tries to figure out how to move forward. Then Bastien walks into the bar. He's unbelievably attractive, mysterious, and exactly the distraction Fleur thinks she needs. She isn't looking for another relationship. She wants one passionate night with no expectations and no strings attached. But Bastien has completely different plans. What Fleur doesn't know is that the man she's just invited into her life isn't simply a dangerous stranger. He's the butcher, the crime lord who rules over Paris through fear, power, and absolute control. And suddenly, Fleur's attempt to escape heartbreak becomes something much more complicated. That's what makes this audiobook so addictive. The story combines dark romance, suspense, obsession, and intense chemistry, so there's always another reason to keep listening. And with Ramona Master and Michael Ferraiuolo narrating, the characters' perspectives and emotional tension become much easier to experience rather than simply read. If you enjoy powerful, possessive heroes, complicated relationships, dangerous secrets, and romance with a darker edge, this is the kind of audiobook that can turn all listen to one chapter into hours of listening. So if The Butcher sounds like your kind of story, check the link in the description and see if you can start listening with a free trial.